This is a Can-Am Rally Raid car, built and prepped by South Racing. We're going to go over it, a little walk around, and let you know what they're all about. So 77-inch wide car. They build the A-arms. Has some brake ducting, keep the brakes cooler. ZRP hubs in there. These Riger shocks are, they tell us they're about 25% lighter than a normal Fox shock. Lots of carbon fiber. All fabricated chassis, nothing stock on the chassis. Doors still open. Has some rock deflectors up front and the back. That thing right there is a jack. It's a hydraulic jack. Looks like a little bottle jack with a long shaft on it. They do the trailing arms. It's a stock P-drive clutch. 2 spare tires. Fire extinguisher. Oh, and that looks like air actually for the tires. Exhaust, it's not super loud. We've heard louder. Huge 36-gallon fuel tank in there. Some ducting for air back there, but other than that, it's a normal Can-Am X3. We're going to take it for a drive and see what it feels like. These are limited on horsepower to about 175, they tell us, which is still great. It's gonna be a blast to drive. We'll definitely report back when we're done. We'll give you some shots of the interior too in a little bit.
I will show it.
Ignition, start and stop 2 times. 1.
Inside the cockpit is Motec, a bunch of switch panels, some of the old stock drive modes, the stock instrument panel. That's where your roll charts go, or road books as they call them. Looks like a satellite emergency system up there. This car has Sparcos. It's tight, but there's a lot of padding, so you don't hit your head obviously if you roll or you kind of get loose in your belts. but I fit fine in here at 6 foot tall. Huge brake pedal, and the dead pedal was big. Kind of strange, it seemed to move a little bit. Yeah, but it was pretty fun to drive. It's a lot more plush than it looks. It really floated over the small stuff and was plush over the big stuff. Drug the pan a little bit on one little 2-track, but blast to drive. Wish these guys good luck at the Morocco Rally and then Dakar next year. This is Jeremy Gray, first time World Rally Raid navigator, but he has some experience in Sonora and of course Baja and the US, but he's going to go over the Roadbook.
Yeah, so basically these are your cap headings. This is your direction that you're going. This is going to come up when you open a waypoint, so this will get you to the waypoint, then it'll go away. This is your mileage that you're looking for, so the whole time you're going, this is your partials, and you can reset your partials and just run off of your partial, so note to note, or you just go off your overall total mileage. Yeah, basically speedometer, and this is your speed limit, and then this is making sure you get all your waypoints.
So it counts them down for you?
Yeah, it counts them down for you, and then also when you do hit a waypoint, it resets to the correct mileage. So if you're off, it'll reset to your correct mileage. And then also with this, you reset trip up and down for your mileage if you want to make sure that you're on your note. And then second tab is just for backup, basically.
Oh, it's a backup?
Yeah, this one's a backup, but you can run the same thing on both, but this is just giving us, making sure we hit all our checkpoints.
Okay, now do these turn colors or something after you hit a checkpoint?
Yeah, they turn black when you hit your checkpoints.
Okay, all right.
This will be back to the finish.
So did you have notes for this test section we're at?
Yeah, so this is the whole section right here. So this is the whole test loop.
Okay.
Yeah, so all this stuff, like quit the principal piece. Your cap, your direction that you're going, waypoint. You have a lot of safeties in here, so like your dangers, small dunes.
So what is this? This a dune or a danger?
It's a danger, but it's just a bump.
Okay.
So a double danger, it's over like a bump, and then downhill, uphill, and your mileage is right at this tick mark. That's at the tick mark. So that's at that note, that's that tick mark.
Oh, okay. Yep, that's what mileage in the section. How many miles was this little section? Like 5 miles?
Yeah, it was
in kilometers.
It's in kilometers.
Okay.
I think it was like 10 kilometers. That's the ones you got to watch out for. It's a safety waypoint.
Yeah.
So they make sure you hit it. Yeah, 10 kilometers.
Do they make sure you slow down? Like, is there actual speed that you have to go through it?
No, not for this one, but it's just when you see that, that's like danger, danger.
And then I see some are green. Those are ones that you can fly through.
No, these are really quick notes.
Oh,
that means they're less than like 200 meters apart.
Oh,
300
okay.
meters apart.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's the ones you got to watch out for because it's quick direction changes and stuff. Usually they keep it all on this side to let you know what's actually coming up.
Gotcha. Okay. Well, thanks for the little tutorial.
Little rundown. That's I'm still getting used to it, so hopefully I can get pretty good at it.
Yeah. All right. Well, this is a good test race to do it at before Dakar.
Yeah.
All right. Daniel's going to tell us what spares they keep in the cars during race day.
Alright guys, so for the race car we put a spare one axle because it's the same front and rear, 3 radius rods, 1 steering arm, 2 rear uprights, and that's it.
That's it. And what about other supplies in the car, like extra gloves or?
So we have a bag with tools and a bag with spare parts like sensors, extra bolts, nuts, a bit of brake lines, a bit of everything. Yeah.
So
engine oil.
The whole parts package isn't real heavy. You're trying to keep these things light, so you don't put a lot of things on it.
We put like the best that we can, like as a lighter car, but the things that we're gonna need, we put that. Yeah.
All right. And Daniel was Seth's mechanic at the Vegas Reno, so he's already has 1 win this year in the U.S. and Have you won this year in Rally Raid?
Yeah, I win in Abu Dhabi,
Okay.
and no, I don't remember more. Maybe some Portuguese races I win with another cousin, but with Set I win only in Vegas and Vegas Torino. I think that's it.
Okay, we have Pietro with he runs this truck. They have 3 trucks at this race. Pietro, tell us what's on that truck. You said there's thousands of parts on there.
Yeah,
Just give me a ballpark of what's on there.
More or less 7,000 parts. Start of the small engine parts until the big one, like the suspension part, like the tires, like the body parts. So we have all the parts the cars we need. If we have some problem, we have all solution to restart the stage and start to conclude the stage.
So you inventory every part.
Yeah, we have, it's like here, we have the list of all the parts with all the cars, all the number of the chassis of the cars. So we have the stuff here like this. If I put it here, so I go there, I have the code already there. Wait. And if under the part, so it's like is this is lower arms without no joint. So we have all the specific category of the parts. So we have the simple. We try to do the job simple.
This is a whole different truck. You call this the semi, and you said there's a washing machine in there.
Yeah, we have the washing machine, we have the dry machine, we have all the food, all the drinks for the race. We have the sleeping bag for the guys. We have the tents.
Okay, I saw a tire machine. That's
tire
helpful.
machine.
Okay.
Sure, because if you have some problem with the tires, we have the machine to change the tire, change the rims. We have the new rims also. So we have all the things we need to not survive, but to say, like your house, like a house with a wheel.
It has. I mean, there's more parts in here than my local Can-Am dealership. It looks like.
Yeah. It's like here because we have a lot of parts because we have need to serve the customer. So we have a lot of customer do the race. So we need the part to serve the customer, to help the customer also.
Yeah.